This node is quite unique and interesting as the beams connect asymmetrically and at different angles. I will show you techniques to make modeling easy and enjoyable. First, insert the central beam to which steel plates will be attached. Everything will become clear soon. Using the new plate of face command, create plates on the beam's faces, and then trim these plates to the desired size using the split plate command. A little tip from Projector's creator: this way, you can move the plates to the middle of the beam. Select the beam centerline and horizontal projection direction, and the plates will magically move to the middle of the beam. Next, using the popular fit command, align the edges of the plates with the central beam, the pipe to which these plates will be welded. Using Tekla's standard command, create cylindrical holes in the beams. Now it's time for the V-slice utility. Make a symmetrical cut between the beams. With the updated cutout utility, available starting from version 1.20, you can make cutouts for the plates. Bolts, which I use for modeling dowels, will connect the glued beams and steel plates. Finally, use the SV cut command to give the beams their final geometry. Thank you for watching.